Hi, my name's Ramp, and today I'm going to show you how I made this into this. It was a really long process, and I want to show you how I made it. So one day I stumbled across this YouTuber called Jack Creator, and I saw one of his many amazing diorama videos where he makes creatures and other things. And I said, hey, I want to make that. I haven't worked with clay or dioramas since like 8th grade. Jack's videos helped me a lot through this journey, and I just want to say go subscribe to him because he's almost at 1 million and I'm almost at 60. But enough of me talking, let's go right into the classic art montage. This was a basic sketch of my design, so I decided to do the shark first. For the shark, I took Jack's zombie shark video as a kind of design template because it was my favorite video of his. And I didn't really make it a zombie shark, I made it more of like a megalodon. Finally, the shark was done, and I was pretty happy with the result. Then I moved on to the tentacles for the squid. This was my first time using something called epoxy resin, and it's tricky stuff to work with, but it makes for a nice result. You mix some blue food dye or alcohol ink, and it makes the water for your diorama. And after about 12 hours of work, it was finally done. I had a lot of fun making this video. Thanks again to Jack Creator for inspiring me to make this, and who knows, maybe even this video will inspire somebody to start up something new. There was a lot of things I could have done better, like pour the resin to be a little more clear, but overall I was happy for a first attempt. I don't normally make these types of videos, but if you want to see me do this again, leave a comment down below and smash that